and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Day 5 of the same-sex marriage legalization case being heard at the Supreme Court. Advocate Karuna Nandi argues 2011 census shows 4.8 million trans people being demonized in society. Supreme Court stays Madras High Court order setting aside ban on tobacco and related products in Tamil Nadu. Supreme Court issues directions to all high courts to ensure digitisation of records of all civil and criminal suits of the district courts. No direction for appointment of 50% of high court judges from district judiciary can be passed, says Supreme Court. Rahul Gandhi moves Gujarat High Court, challenging Surat Sessions Court order. Seeks stay on conviction in defamation case over all thieves have Modi surname remark. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court resumed hearing the same-sex marriage legalization case. On day 5 of the hearing, Advocate Karuna Nandi appeared for the petitioners and argued that 99.9% people who apply under Special Marriage Act fall in gender binary and are men or women, whether they are queer, trans or straight. She claimed that the 2011 census shows 4.8 million trans people being demonized in society. Advocate Nandi relied on the argument that in a marriage between a man and a woman, later choosing to have a sex reassignment surgery, the marriage subsists in the eyes of law. On this, Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt replied, those who are married as heterosexual couples later turns out to be one where one recognized as a trans person. At that stage, law does not upset the subsisting marriage, but are not celebrating same-sex union. Yesterday, the top court had said that legalizing same-sex marriage will impact personal laws and that the matter falls well within the domain of the legislature. The Supreme Court bench of Justices K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagaratna stayed the Madras High Court order that set aside the ban imposed upon tobacco and related products in the state of Tamil Nadu. The High Court passed a verdict on January 20 this year, quashing a notification issued by the state government in May 2018. Prohibiting the sale, manufacture and transport of gutka, pan masala and other tobacco products. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, appearing for the state government, submitted that health is a state subject, justifying the ban imposed while also informing the court that the approval to ban tobacco products flowed from a 2013 judgment of the top court, in view of health concerns and plastic waste generation. The apex court noted that the petitioner, that is the state, has made out a case for stay of the judgment. A bench of Justices Sanjay Karol and Krishna Murari of the Supreme Court issued directions to all high courts across the nation to ensure that the records of all civil and criminal suits of the district courts are digitized. The court noted that protection of rights under Article 21 entails protection of liberty from any restriction. Thereupon, in the absence of fair legal procedure, the same can only be done when the record is available with the Court of Appeal. The court further said that a robust system of responsibility and accountability must be developed and fostered in order to ensure the proper protection and regular updation of all records, facilitating the smooth functioning of the judicial process. A 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court comprising Justices B.R. Gavai, Vikram Nath and Sanjay Karol, while directing high courts to take immediate steps to recommend names of judges from the service quota for elevation, said that it cannot, however, pass directions for the appointment of 50% of the judges from the judicial services of the district judiciary. The court made the observations while disposing an intervention application filed by the Judicial Service Association of Delhi in a petition dealing with the service conditions of high courts and district judges. A bench of the Supreme Court comprising the CJI had in February this year upheld that the norm of having 1/3 judges of the high courts from the district judiciary's service quota and appointing the remainder of judges from within the bar should be followed. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has moved the Gujarat High Court, seeking a stay on conviction in the defamation case, which led to his disqualification as a member of parliament. Gandhi was convicted for defamation over his "Why all thieves share the Modi surname" remark by the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate in Surat on March 23rd. Thereafter, Gandhi has approached the Surat Sessions Court on April 3rd, challenging the order of conviction, which was rejected by the said court on April 20th. The present revision petition was then moved before the High Court of Gujarat, challenging the order of the Surat Sessions Court. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.